We have an Anderson storm screen door, 36 inches by 80 inches high. This one is black. That's what it looks like. Comes with these clips holding the door in place while it's been shipped. It just kind of slide and snap out of place. We're going to put it in front of this door here. And I built me some, it's a small frame to go on the side and across the top so I can screw the door down. And these were $2 something a piece from Home Depot. A little bit. Okay, this is the frame I put up. That's some little chamois woods. Got a 1x1 and this is a 2x2, maybe a 1x1 piece of board. Get a frame all the way around. Cut this piece and stuck it up there. Got a. This is sold separately. This string. Connected it here. Connected to the door. And just cut this and stuck it up. Another little screw there. Got it nice and snug. Storm door handle set. Comes with instructions. Really not a lot to it. And let's get that connected. This one going outside. Take and put the plate up there. Put this facing down. Going to take our knob or handle. So we'll go this facing this way.
And give me that the one,
Okay.
the outside key.
Oh, really? That's my mom, but she's in video again. this is going to slide here. Make sure this is lined up. Slide that there. I think these two are the same. Up at the top. Get one to go at the bottom. And it has to lock in place. I think I need to get that. There you go. Take this one back out. Okay, get that in there. I got this side in first. I'm gonna maneuver this one. I don't know if the sun's gonna let me get a good picture of it. There you go, Diversity 2 installing a storm door. Just a matter of making a small frame around two sides of it. First I only mounted this section here, then I had this space and this little 1-inch piece fit right there. Then you bind the lock separately. It's designed for this door though. Lock on the inside, and also has a place here for the outside, a key. Get a couple of keys with it. Very easy to mount, to install. No hassle. Two handles. The locking mechanism is already in the door. And the spring you buy separately. It's adjustable. Kind of springs out and closes it by itself. There you have it, Diversity 2 storm door from Home Depot. Quick installation. Thanks for watching. And this door is from Home Depot. Simple storm door. On the outer frame, the holes are already pre-drilled. All you have to do is mount it. This is a standard door here.